Building a LeadPages website from scratch might sound intimidating at first, but by the end of this quick tutorial, you'll see just how easy it is to create a stunning landing page without any coding skills. Let's dive straight into the process so you can start building your LeadPages website in no time. First, when you log into LeadPages, you'll land on the dashboard. You'll see a variety of templates to choose from, so if you're not starting with a blank canvas, this is a great place to begin. The templates are designed for specific goals, whether it's lead generation, product sales, or event promotion. Pick one that fits your need and gives you a good base to work from. Next thing, customizing the template is simple. LeadPages has a drag and drop editor that allows you to easily adjust elements like text, images, and buttons. You can add sections, change the layout, and tweak the design to match your brand. Keep in mind, the customization options here are decent, but if you're looking for something super unique or advanced, you may feel a little limited. Still, for quick landing page creation, this works fine. The third thing you'll want to focus on is the mobile optimization. Every template you choose is already mobile friendly, but it's important to double check how your page looks on different devices. LeadPages lets you preview and adjust for mobile, which is crucial because mobile traffic is a significant part of most website visitors. Not all website builders give you this level of control, but LeadPages makes it easy to tweak things for mobile views. Now let's talk about integrations. LeadPages connects seamlessly with popular tools like email marketing services, payment processors, and CRMs. This is great if you want your landing page to work smoothly with your existing setup. However, depending on your needs, you might find that some integrations are locked behind higher tier plans, so it's worth considering which plan will best suit you long term. But overall, the integration process is simple, which is a big plus. The fifth thing is publishing. Once you're happy with how your page looks, you can hit the Publish button. LeadPages gives you the option to publish directly to your custom domain, or you can use one of their subdomains. You can also connect it to Google Analytics for better tracking. While this is all convenient, some competitors offer more flexibility in terms of hosting and analytics integration, which could be a deal breaker if you're after more customization. Finally, before you wrap up and start driving traffic to your landing page, consider the alternatives. While LeadPages is a solid choice, I've found that other tools like Unbounce and ClickFunnels often provide more advanced features, such as more detailed A/B testing and better flexibility with building entire sales funnels. If you're looking to build something more than just a landing page, those tools might serve your needs better. So, as promised, I've got a special offer for you. Through our link in the description, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial for LeadPages, so you can test everything out before fully committing. But I also want to point out that I've listed some amazing alternatives that might be better for your specific goals. These alternatives also offer a free trial, and they come with some fantastic features that might better suit what you're trying to achieve. Be sure to check the first link in the description for the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. And remember, no matter which platform you choose, you're taking a big step toward creating an effective website that helps you reach your business goals.